Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have some exciting new tweaks for you guys to show you that is compatible with the new iOS 9 jailbreak, as well as some tweaks that'll simulate the iPhone 6s for older generation of iPhones. With enough being said, let's get straight into this video. Alright, so one of the first things you may have noticed on my phone is the dock. As you can see, it is more kind of laid back. Not sure how to say, but it is laid down a bit. And this tweak is free and it requires an enemy to apply. So that's all the tweak does. It just makes it look like the MacBook instead of it being just a rectangle like the newer MacBooks as well as the new iOS. The second tweak I'm going to be showing you guys is a tweak that's just been updated for iOS 9 and it's called Folder Enhancer. So what this does is it completely themes how your folders look, and it also has the option to nest folders. So for example, let's go ahead and drag settings inside there and you get one folder right here, right? And then we're going to also have news right here and we're going to drag it in mail. Now as you can see, there it is. And now we have two folders right here. So if you want to just drag one and then drag it in the other, now you can see that they merge into each other, so now you have nesting folders. That's pretty much how you do it. It's pretty simple. You can also add different types of display. So I have a 4x4, so if I kept on adding more icons, it would be a 4x4 grid instead of the normal 3x3. And also if you look in, you can see that it will be displaying a 4x4 grid, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so on and so on. So yeah, this is a really good tweak if you guys want to theme your phone, or you just want to keep yourself organized by having folders inside folders. And it just makes your iPhone look real nice. So go ahead and check that out on Cydia. So if you look carefully at the icons, you can see that this one is white while the other ones are red. Now this tweak that I'm going to be showing you is called Cottages. And basically what it is it replaces the badges that you see. So instead of having a notification on the top right of the icon, it displays how many notifications you have as a name. So as you can see, I have 5 notifications, which is 5 mails inside my mail. And I'm not going to show you guys my mail because personal security. But coming up a little closer, you can see that it says 5 mails, and it will do the same with any other app. So for example, let's go ahead and go back, and we're going to go across right here to Clash of Clans. So as you can see, I have 1 notification on there, and it also works with any other third-party app. So go ahead and check that out if you guys want to make sure that your Springboard is nice and organized and to get rid of the badges notification completely. So go ahead and check that out, and it does require a special source. The link will be in the description as well as on display the screen right now. Alright, so the next 3 tweaks I'm going to be showing you guys is how to simulate the iPhone 6s without having to buy it. And these are all only compatible with iOS 9. So the first one I'm going to be showing you guys is enable live photos. So if we go in the camera application, you can see that we have a new icon on the top right. If we just click on it, we're going to see that it says live. So for example, let's go ahead and click it, and it's going to say live, and we're just going to move our phone around to show you guys that it is recording. And once it is done, we can go ahead and go into our camera roll right here. And if we hang on to it, you can see that it does move, right? And we can also set this as our wallpaper. So let's go ahead and go in the bottom right here. You're going to slide across, use this wallpaper. And now we're going to have 3 options: still, perspective, and live photo. Now we're going to make sure it's on live photo, and then we're going to click set to lock screen. Alright, so once that's done, let's go ahead and lock our device and unlock it. And you can see that there is the wallpaper right here, and we're going to hang on to it. And then as you can see that the live wallpaper is working correctly. And yeah, that's one of the new main features of the iPhone 6s that catches a lot of people's attention. And there you go, that's how you get the live wallpapers. So the next tweak I'm going to be showing you guys is what Apple has shown during their iPhone 6 keynote. And it's basically the quick gestures onto apps. So this tweak called Forcey will do exactly what you want. So what this tweak does, once you guys have installed it, which is also free, you just want to swipe up on any icon, and you can see that there is the iPhone 6 options for the camera. So take a selfie, record a video, record slow motion, and also just regular take a photo. And it also works with other things such as the App Store. We could go up and we see redeem and search, and we could go down to messages down here, and we could create a new message if you want. Updates are also being made to be compatible with third-party applications as well, so also make sure to check that out. And the last tweak I'm going to be showing you guys is what the iPhone 6 can, which is the peek and pop shortcut that you guys saw during the Apple's keynote. So for example, let's go on Safari, and for example, we're just going to Google and type in Reddit jailbreak, and you can see that there are going to be links, right? So if we want to hang on to it real quick and then swipe over to the left, we have that peek and pop feature that's in the iPhone 6s. It is a little glitchy right now, but I'm sure later on the developer will end up wanting to fix it because of bugs like this. So yeah, it's really nice, guys, to see that developers are working on tweaks that's only available for the iPhone 6 Plus and below besides the 6s, in order to simulate the 6s instead of having to actually buy one. So yeah, guys, sorry I couldn't get my phone to show on the screen to the right because the program that I use is not updated to work with iOS 9, but I will soon be able to fix that once an update is released, and my next videos will also have that as well. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like down below because it really helps me a lot knowing that you guys like these type of videos. And also subscribe to get videos just like this in the future, as well as more tweaks, theme reviews, and tutorials coming our way since iOS 9's jailbreak's just been released. And also be sure to follow my Twitter page. Link will be in the description down below. So yeah, go ahead and follow me on there to get news on when I'm going to make my next video, as well as when new jailbreaks and tweaks and updates are going to be available and what's going on in my daily life. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. This is Elite Apple Hacks signing out.